Hi, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and today we're going to talk about a very special ladies glove, the Lady Claudia glove by Bering. Okay, let's get right into the Lady Claudia glove. Let's cover one thing first. I'm clearly not a female, but I'm wearing a female size glove. This is the biggest glove we do in this model, T9. We do go down to much smaller sizes. So this is a female glove, let's make that clear to begin with. Difference between a female glove and a male glove, first of all, obviously the sizing is slightly smaller, but also the ratio between finger and palm is different as well. So you're getting longer fingers and a smaller palm, because women's hand sizes are different from men's anatomically, as well as just in terms of sizing. As we know, with a lot of females, they have problems with circulation in the hand. So this is a really important glove at its price point. We put PrimaLoft into this product. That is the warmest insulator, synthetic insulator you can buy pound for pound. The only thing really warmer is a natural goose or duck down, but obviously you're not going to be putting them into gloves, because if they get wet, they'll turn into porridge. So this is PrimaLoft in the product, the warmest insulator you can buy. It's a fully waterproof glove as well. So you're going to get all your waterproofing from Bering, PrimaLoft thermal, so you have a nice warm hand. It's something we've been asked for loads of times, especially by women, to have a nice, good price point, warm glove. So that's your waterproofing and warmth covered within this product. As you can see, it's a long cuff glove, so you're going to get that all the way down to the bottom of the cuff, keep it nice and warm, keep the wind and water and rain out. So zip up the side means you can either put the cuff over the jacket or you can zip it up and get it underneath. So plenty of adjustment there. Soft shell material running down the back of the glove as well, and reflective. As you can see with women's glove, we've got a slightly smaller knuckle on the knuckle area to keep it nice and thin. Close my hand fully, it's still comfortable even on my hands. So it's fitting beautifully around the knuckle as well. If we run around to the side, you can see we've got the sensor system written up the side of the finger. On this finger here means you can use it with your satellite navigation device or your mobile phone or tablet, anything with a touchscreen. You can use that with these gloves on. Running down the back, soft shell again, all the way down the back and all the way down to the bottom. So as you can see, there's no leather on this product at all. So any vegans out there, this is absolutely fine for you guys. There is no animal products used in the making of this glove. So it's absolutely perfect for you. Reflective material on the back as well, gives you an extra added benefit, bit of active safety built into the glove. Spinning it around, you can see the contrast stitching on these extra panelled areas. So these two panels to give you extra grip on the clutch and brake lever, and across here to give you extra grip on the throttle and the bars, but also increases the wear level in these high wear areas around these parts here. Running down, small Velcro closure just to allow you to adjust it around the wrist, get it nice and tight so the glove won't pull off in the event of an accident, and then the cuff just to finish it off. So that's Lady Claudia glove, available in all the ladies sizes, as I say, super warm, waterproof, and at a superb price point, $54.99. For any more information on this glove or any of the Bering range, please go to bikerheadz.co.uk and like and subscribe below.